Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend, and welcome to a new video on Ethereum. All right, it's been a while since we had a look at Ethereum. It's overall, I did check it out, I think, in the live stream, and I also made a technical analysis on it in the free Telegram group. But overall, I haven't covered Ethereum for some time. Technically, it is looking very, very interesting right now. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about what's most likely from here. As you can see, I'm quite bearish on Ethereum. I'll tell you why, and I'll also tell you how that could change. But that's in general what we'll do. All right, so before we do that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guides if you want to learn how to analyze like me. But now let's get into Ethereum. So the first thing we need to know at this point of time, and that's also one of the explanations for why Ethereum actually fell down quite a bit, is that Ethereum against Bitcoin has been in a free fall since Sunday the 10th of September, when Bitcoin also was quite strong. And we've seen that Ethereum also got bullish momentum since that period of time, but not nearly as much as Bitcoin. Like, if it would have been the same, Ethereum would have been up towards like 1700, at least above 1700, and that's not what it did. What it did is it got up to the 0.618 fib and the trend line with this 200 EMA right here, which is a major resistance level. This is like one of the strongest levels you can get, a trend line with the 200 EMA and the 0.618 fib. It found resistance there, which was expected, but then what also happened, the 19th on Tuesday, is that Bitcoin slowed down a bit, and then we got real bearish momentum on Thursday. And that is when Ethereum actually got its major bearish confirmation, which is breaking down below this level between 1600 and 1610. So purely technically, Ethereum right now is bearish. All right, it's pretty clear. We had a bearish breakout. All of the other indicators are indicating somewhat of a bearish market structure, and that's also just in general what's the general market, what the general market is like at this point of time. The dollar strength index is very. Oh, this is not the dollar strength index. The dollar strength index is still very strong. September historically is a bearish month for crypto. So this was to be expected, but now the main question is will this continue? And in my eyes, I do think it will continue. I don't think the dollar strength index will turn bearish anytime soon. Like I said, September usually actually ends and actually is bearish. So the market structure, I mean, there's one of the biggest reasons really is that there's just no reason at this moment. I mean, it's different in October, so in next week we might be talking different about this, but at this moment there's no fundamental catalyst, in my eyes at least, that could provide enough bullish momentum to break out of this downtrend, for which you would need a break above 1660. So I'd say it's more likely that we'll just consolidate a bit here right now. I mean, it's the weekend, we'll not get that much momentum, but that will consolidate, and that eventually will actually drop back down towards 1550. And I also do expect a move down to this level right here at 1500, from which I do expect some great support. But that's my expectation for now. See, the thing is, like, we have a Monday coming up. Monday is quite volatile in general. If from there Ethereum is able to get some sort of a breakout again above 1610, then the situation changes, and then it's more likely that it will just continue some sort of a consolidation in this range. But like I said, I mean, there's really no indication of something like that happening at this point of time. So if something like that does look to be close, I'll tell you about it. But for now, this is my take. So thank you for watching. Take care. Enjoy your weekend, and bye.